How private security employees can claim tax relief for the cost of a licence required under the Private Security Services Act. Mandatory licences for employees in private security. The Private Security Services Act 2004 is the primary legislation under which the Private Security Authority operates. The Act was amended by Part 4 of the Civil Law Miscellaneous Provisions Act 2011 and by the Private Security Services Amendment Act 2021, where an employee incurs the cost of a licence required under the Private Security Services Act to enable him or her to perform the duties of his or her employment. Then a tax deduction at the employee's marginal rate of tax may be granted in respect of such cost. They are given at your marginal rate of tax. Marginal rate tax allowances reduce the amount of tax you pay at the standard rate by increasing your tax credits by the amount of the relief at 20%. That's the standard rate. At the higher rate by increasing the standard rate cut-off point to reduce the amount of income taxed at the 40% higher rate. What all that jargon means is that if you exceed the 40% tax bracket by, we'll say, €300 or more, then if you pay €300 for the licence, this is equivalent to €120 into your hand every year as a tax refund. If you do not reach the 40% standard rate cut-off point, then if you paid €300 for the licence, this is equal to €60 into your hand as a tax refund. In addition, where the cost of the licence is incurred by an employer on behalf of an employee, or the employer reimburses the employee for such cost, Revenue is prepared to accept that no charge to income tax arises in respect of the employee. Before I continue with how to claim tax back on the cost of the licence, please allow me 20 seconds to say that for those of you who have not heard about Payroll Matters in Ireland, let me give you a very quick introduction. This is Pádraig here from the YouTube channel, Facebook group and social media platform for all PAYE workers and their employers to ask, get answers and find out about pay, PAYE, income tax, public holiday entitlements, universal social charge, pay-related social insurance, pensions, redundancy, week one basis, emergency tax, statements of liability, tax credits, employee and employer statutory rights and obligations, and a myriad of other work and payroll related issues, all free of charge. The Facebook page and the Facebook group and this channel are all called Payroll Matters in Ireland, and new members, followers and subscribers to this channel are always welcome. So back to our update. Making a claim. Employees can claim relief for the cost of a licence required under the Private Security Services Act after the end of the year of assessment by submitting an annual income tax return. For guidance, see our video guide called How to Complete an Income Tax Return for 2024 and the 3 previous years here. The link to this video, as I said, is just here and allows you to A. Change existing credits and or declared incomes. B. Declare additional income, for example, rental income, income from casual work, etc. C. Claim additional credits and or reliefs, for example, like health expenses. D. Claim any overpayments. And E. Request a statement of liability from Revenue. To make a claim for a tax refund for the cost of your licence, the following steps are required. 1. Sign in to My Account. 2. Click Review your tax for the previous 4 years link in PAYE services. 3. Request a statement of liability for the relevant tax year. 4. Complete an income tax return. 5. In the tax credits and reliefs page, select your job, other PAYE expenses and input the claim details. 6. Complete and sign your income tax return. All of this is included in the video as I mentioned and gave you the link above. A claim for repayment of tax cannot be allowed where it is made more than 4 years after the end of the tax year or accounting period to which the claim relates. A taxpayer can upload receipts and images of proof of payment using the receipts tracker in My Account. If the receipts are not uploaded, they must be retained in the original form for a period of 6 years. We also have a video guide here on how you can upload your tax receipts. Before I leave you for now, can I ask those of you that have not already done so to hit the subscribe button and also to turn on YouTube notifications for this channel. We have a video guide on how you can turn on notifications for this channel so you can get an alert every time we post a new video guide, as we have many more helpful pay, income tax and other work related guides and videos to bring you. It costs you nothing to subscribe, but could help you save hundreds or even thousands of euro into your hand on pay and tax. Go on, hit that subscribe button. Go on. The reference for this guide is Revenue Tax and Duty Manual Part 050215, and the document was last updated today on February the 12th, 2025. See you next time.